How to fix Windows 11 stuck on preparing Windows loop. 1. Restart your PC. 2. Troubleshoot in repair mode. 2.1 Boot into repair mode by pressing the F11 key when booting into your system. Another two options. 2.1.1 Shut down your PC 2 times, while you are on the configuration screen by pressing the power button. 2.1.2 Creating an installation media. 2.2 Run system. Scans in command prompt under Windows Save mode. Commands include sfc/scanO/offbooter equals Windows_drive_letter:\letter:\off Windows_drive_letter:\Windows dism/online/cleanup image/start component cleanup dism/online/cleanup image/restore health/source f\sources\install.wim1/limit access chkdsk drive letter/f/r/x restart your PC, later. Plan B, uninstall quality updates in Windows Save mode. Path, troubleshoot advanced options uninstall updates. Plan C, reset PC in Windows troubleshoot mode.